Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fabiola. For those of you that don't know me, I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos, and I would absolutely love it if you consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done already. Also, make sure to follow me on my blog at FABIOLAGBeauty.com. So today's video is going to be on this huge Sephora haul, and I have a bunch of items in here that are mostly for the holidays. So I did pick up like a bunch of holiday kits, and I'm very excited to share this with you guys because I know that even though the holidays are not here yet, they will come so soon, like sooner than you expected. And that has happened to me before, that I'm like, well, you know, Christmas is not until, you know, a couple months, but it just happened so quickly. So I wanted to get this video out to you so you can see for yourself what the kits are, and you know, are they worth the money? Are they worth buying? So before we get started, I did want to mention that I am just so excited because I have a bunch of exciting and new videos that will be coming up very soon, and one of them is a huge giveaway for the holidays. So I'm very excited about that. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss out on that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first set I will be showing you is this set here, which is called the Gingerbread Bronzed and Kissed by Too Faced. You get a full-size gingerbread tan bronzer. It is adorable, it is super pigmented, and it's gorgeous. You also get a full-size peach kiss lipstick in Gingerbread Man. With the package, you also get this adorable Gingerbread Man makeup bag. It's glittery and it's so adorable. This is like a perfect gift for the holidays. If I got something like this, I would be so happy. So the next set is also from Too Faced, and this here is my favorite, and I'm so excited for this one because it's just so cute. It's so beautiful. You can display it on your vanity, and you just get so many products, and I think the price for this is just really good because you do get like a lot of items in this set. So this set here has 3 palettes. You also get a mascara, you get a deluxe eyeshadow insurance primer, and you get a deluxe melted matte Gingerbread Man liquid lipstick. So the roof of the house is basically a palette that contains a highlighter, a bronzer, and a blush. The colors are just beautiful and they look amazing. It also comes with another small palette, and this palette has 6 exclusive shades. You get one that is called Frost Yourself, Miss Kringle, Snow Pink, All My Wishes, On a Roll, and Can't Catch Me. So the next palette is a bigger palette, and you get 20 exclusive shadows as well. So that's what I picked out this little palette here, because you get a bunch of new exclusive shadows that are not found in just individual palettes. And you do get a combination of like different shades, and that is the main reason why I got it, because I think the shades are just beautiful. So this one here is definitely a must if you're looking for like a good holiday gift. There's also a different holiday set at Ulta, and it's also very cute. I'll list it up here so you guys can check it out. I really wanted to get that one, but then I decided to get the little house, but I don't know, I might go back and get it because I thought it was so adorable. Another set that also caught my eye was another Too Faced set. This one here is a snowman, and it's adorable. Basically, it's 3 round palettes, so I might also go back and get that one as well. It's great for the holidays, it's very seasonal, and I think the shades are gorgeous. So moving on, I have this kit right here, which is definitely one of my favorite ones. And I think when these kits come out, you really have to take advantage of these because you do get some amazing products for such a great price. This one is called the Sephora Favorites Give Me More Lips. And you do get a bunch of awesome lip products. You get some of the Sephora's favorite products. And the main reason why I got this kit is because it includes a full-size Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. So if you get the lipstick on its own, I believe it's like about $38, and this kit was $42. So in this half right here, you do get a fresh sugar rose tinted lip treatment in rose. You also get this full size roller. It's a rollerball gloss, and it's from the brand Incredible. I've never tried this before, but I'm very excited to check it out. And that's why I like these kits, because you can definitely try out new products. You also get a Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and you get a Milk Makeup Kush Lip Balm in Green Dragon. So on the other half right here, I'm so excited for this one. You do get a full-size Charlotte Tilbury, and it's in the shade Berry Victoria, which is a gorgeous matte shade. You also get a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's a mini plush matte lipstick in Flamingo Acid. And I'm excited for this one because I've never tried anything from Fenty Beauty, so now is my chance to try it out. You also get a Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain in the shade 96 Red Velvet. It's a gorgeous red color, perfect for the holidays. And you get a Too Faced Peach Kiss Lipstick in the shade Sex on the Peach. So this is also a great set to buy. So moving on to the next box, I did get another of the Anastasia Dewy Set Mist. This is amazing, you guys. You spray it on your face before your makeup. You can even apply it on top of your makeup, and it just makes your skin look so dewy and so moisturized. So I also ended up getting another thing from Too Faced. I told you guys, I am a Too Faced addict. I love their makeup. So I got this gorgeous palette. This one here is called the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. And wait till you guys see the packaging. It is adorable. And look at all these beautiful shades. You get 9 of them. You get 3 big ones, and then you get 6 of the smaller ones. I can't wait to try them out and create like a bunch of makeup looks with these. So I recently ran out of my MAC foundation, so I went into MAC and got a new foundation. I know this is not Sephora related, but it is makeup related, so I just decided to just throw it in there and show it to you guys. I ended up getting this new foundation. The girl said it was like fairly new and it was amazing. She said it basically kind of skin matches your skin tone, so you apply it and then, you know, within a few minutes it kind of blends into your skin, creating this like custom look. So while I was in there, of course, I was like testing and spraying everything that was in there, and I saw this setting spray. It's the Prep and Prime from MAC, and I got this little mini version of it before getting the big one, but oh my goodness, it smells so delicious. And this one here smells like watermelon. They did have, I believe, like 4 or 5 other scents. One of them was pineapple. The other one, what was it? I can't really remember. I'll try to link them up there and then down there below so you guys can check it out. But this one here to me was the one that smelled the most delicious. It smells straight up like watermelon. So also from Sephora, going back to the Sephora haul, I decided to get this new palette from Urban Decay. And the reason why I got it is because the shades are just gorgeous. They are definitely shades that I would wear every single day. So I ended up getting the Urban Decay Naked Honey. And oh my goodness, I like love the shades in this palette. And it does come with like a double-sided brush, which I never end up using. Look how stunning these shades are. I will do some swatches so you guys can see how beautiful and how pigmented the shades are, but I am just dying to try this out. A palette like this would definitely make any girl happy. So this year is definitely a must, and I think this is like such a beautiful palette. So these next 2 products that I will be showing you were actually sent out to me from Oaktoli and Eve Lom, and I love these products, you guys. I had tried some of their products in the past, and you can find them at Sephora. So that's why I went ahead and included them in this haul, since basically you can purchase them at Sephora. So I got this one here, which is called the Eve Lom Moisture Cream. It looks like this. It is so luxurious. It's a very, very heavy packaging. So this cream says that the Eve Lom Moisture Cream contains fast-acting hyaluronic acid to help noticeably reduce existing and prevent future fine lines and wrinkles. It protects the skin against damaging effects of pollution, and it says that you will get a hydrated skin for up to 72 hours. And I can honestly tell you that that is very, very true, because when I apply this on my skin during the morning, it literally lasts all day. So this is definitely something worth splurging on. I would highly recommend it. So also from BALM, this was also sent out to me from Octoly and BALM. So I got a cleanser, and I love this cleanser. All you need is just like a small amount dispensed in your hands. You apply it all over the face, and then just your makeup just basically melts off. So it's not gonna leave your skin over drying. And the last thing that I got is a Smashbox lipstick. This one here is in the color Stepping Out, and it's called the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. It's a little mini one. Ooh, this is beautiful. It's like a nude shade. Oh, wow. Look at this shade, you guys. It's this one right here. That is beautiful. I'm like in love with all these shades. They're gorgeous. So those were all the products and all the gift sets that I got at Sephora and also from MAC. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful, and that way you guys can see what is worth buying and getting for the holidays, if it's something that you should definitely get or just, you know, skip on. Let me know in the comments down below which set was your favorite, and if you are planning on getting any sets for the holiday. I'd love to hear your comments, your feedback. Also, make sure to check out my blog. I'll be leaving all of the details on all these products that I mentioned, as well as some close-up pictures with swatches. Finally, some pictures with swatches, you guys. I really hope you guys have an amazing rest of your night, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Say don't